Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be finishing the Subaru Impreza. Now, we need to sand all the primer down and prepare the hood and the two bumpers to get painted. So, let's get straight into doing that. Starting to sand the bumper. We just got the whole thing sanded. We're just washing it right now. Came out really good. Now it's pretty much time for paint. It's all primered up, all sanded and ready for paint. Time to do the hood and front bumper. So off camera, my dad put primer on the whole hood and sanded it. I did record sanding it, but yeah, we're gonna get to probably the front bumper if it needs to be sanded. I don't know. I think he already sanded it before, but it's almost time for paint for the front end. We did the back already. Don't know when we're gonna paint it. So it came out really nice. Primer is sleek, there's no pinholes, we're good there. So we're about to get the whole bumper sanded in 3, 2, 1. All sanded down. Trying to get everything to get the car painted. We got the paint, getting plastic sheeting. Alright, we're heading out now. So we made it here at my boy's Nelson shop. Flushing Auto Repair. If you need any repair or transmission, whatever, they can help you out. We're about to load this inside and get it prepared for paint. So let's get straight into it. Don't want to take out the rear bumper, so we're gonna take out the taillights so we can paint real good in there. We also took out the rubber so we can paint real good on this inside here, as well as this taillight has to go. So like I said, we can paint really good in here. Alrighty, so when you're painting a car, this is the basics that you're gonna need. Here we have reducer, which you mix with the paint. You have your clear, thinner to clean the gun and materials, primer, adhesion promoter, which is good on plastic pieces like the bumper, as well as tape, paper towel, funnel, sticks to mix the paint and clear, you know, tape, masking paper, all that stuff. You gotta make sure you do everything tediously and properly, because prepping the car is one of the most important things and the most time consuming things when it's time to paint a car. No. Okay. He is throwing on Bulldog. So he put one coat already without me. Looks pretty good. We're about to do a second coat of paint, which he is doing right now. It's pretty thick, huh?
Real thick.
Are you measuring this right? Right now we are throwing clear on the car. We're trying out this ocean clear. So far it's pretty good. It's super thick. He has put one coat of clear on that bumper. It was pretty much finally done. We compound the car already. It looks really nice. Look at the rear end. Came out really nice. You guys been asking for the Subaru. Here it is. It's actually done, completely done. It already has been sent to be super cleaned, and it looks amazing in person. Like a complete transformation of how it was. The car is fully buffed and looking real nice. It's probably gonna be gone soon, and it came out really, really nice, clear, super nice.